Hey everyone, have you heard of Apple Vision Pro? It's Apple's latest technology designed to revolutionize the way we see the world. With Apple Vision Pro, you can take your photography skills to the next level. The new camera technology captures more detail in your photos, creating high-resolution images you'd never believe were taken on a smartphone. The new True Tone display provides more accurate color rendering, making your images appear more vibrant and true to life. But that's not all. With the power of the A14 Bionic chip, Apple Vision Pro brings incredible AR experiences to your fingertips. Augment your reality with 3D objects and explore the world in a new way. Apple Vision Pro also includes advanced machine learning technology, which analyzes the images you take in real time, optimizing your photos for the best possible results. You don't need to be a professional photographer to take stunning pictures. And with the powerful editing tools built directly into the Photos app, you can refine your photos to perfection, all without leaving your device. So whether you're a professional photographer or just enjoy taking photos for fun, Apple Vision Pro can transform the way you capture, view, and edit your memories. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on Apple technology.